Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about the distance between to the point x comma y1 from the origin. Now let us we discuss the distance between point x1 y1 from the origin. Now let us see the figure. Now this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So x-axis, this is y-axis, intersect at x-axis and y-axis intersect at point O. So O is called origin, that is 0 comma 0 point. So this point is origin. Now already one point here is there from origin. Origin that is 0 comma 0. Now from one more point you can keep here. So this is point A. This point represent A, that is x1 comma y1. Okay, y1. Now join these two. So you have to find distance between OA. The distance between to the point A, x1 comma y1, y1, 0 is origin, that is 0 comma 0. Now write down. Let that is A, x1 comma y1 and origin that is O value 0 comma 0 be any two points on a line, okay, passing through the from the origin. Okay, the line passing through the 2 points, the 2 point on a line, the passing through the origin. Okay, now let us now find out the distance between OA. Now write down. So what is given here? A value is x1 comma y1. Next one 0 comma 0. So let we discuss. Okay, now we find OA. So what is the formula? Distance between two formula. The distance between 2 points. Okay, that is now the distance between two points. The distance between 2 points, that is A, x1 comma y1 and B, x2 comma y2 is, what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here given now write down again the distance between this is the formula, children. The distance between 2 points, here A value and B is formula. Now distance between, so one point is given, the distance between to the point, so I am representing here P. So x1 comma y1 from the origin. So origin, that is 0 comma 0 is, now we can find, that is OP. So I am representing here P value, I am representing. So that is, you can change, otherwise you can change AR or PR. Okay. Now OP is equal to square root of, so what is a, here this is x1 y1, this is, now I am writing again OP, no children, that is OP. Here OP I am presenting. So OP means you are finding OP. So first value can take origin, next value can take P value. That is first one. So I am writing here, that is 0 comma 0, next point P, that is x comma y. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x1 y1, no, sorry, here x1 y1. So here represent x1 y1, x2 y2. Don't confuse here. So here x1 is there, okay, here x2y, okay, don't confuse. She is here representing no a value is x1 comma y1, okay. Here origin x first value is always x1 y1, second value is x2 y2, okay. Now op first o x2, what is x2 here? X1, x1 minus x1 what is x1 value is 0 whole square plus y2 value is y1 minus y1 0 whole square. So therefore square root of x1 minus 0 value is x1 whole square plus y1 minus 0 is y1 whole square. So you can write as x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, the OP value is square root of x1 square plus y1 square. So therefore write down, therefore the distance between to the point x1 comma y1 from the origin is, what is the formula? Square root of x1 square plus y1 square. So this is the formula of distance between to the point p of x1 comma y1 from the origin is square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Now let us find the one problem. We can understand the problem. Okay. Now so this is the problem. Example 1. Find the distance to the point 1 comma 2 from the origin. So what you have to find? Find the distance between to the point 1 comma 2 from the origin. So origin value you know, so that is 0 comma 0. Next one more point. You can choose only one point here, 1 comma 2. That is here 1 point. Now join these two. Here 1 point is there. This is O point here. Which is, so represent a value, for example. So a value is, so 1 comma 2. Okay. Now solution. Now what given here? So 0 is 0 comma 0. Next what is origin? Next a value x1 comma y1 is equals to what given? 1 comma 2. So what is the formula? The distance between to the point from the origin formula. Now write down. The distance between to the point 1 comma 2 from the origin. Is, what is formula? OA square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, this is the formula. Square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Now so x1, what is x1 here? Here x1 1, y1 is 2. Now write down, x1 is 1 whole square plus y1 value is 2 whole square. Now square root of 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4. So therefore OA value is root 5 units. So OA value is root 5 units. So that is here from OA from this total how, that is what is the distance is root 5 units. Now let us solve one more problem. We can understand one more problem easily. Now we can see the next problem, example 2. So what is asking question? Find the distance to the point minus 4 comma 3 from the origin. Now let us draw the, this is x axis, this is y axis, intersect at point 4, that is origin 0 comma 0. Already 1 point here, that is from the origin. So one more point is, so you can choose here. So draw these two lines, okay, these 2 points, that is A represent. So which is also can represent any, you can take, okay. So I'm taking A value is minus 4 comma 3. Okay. Now what is given here? A value x1 comma y1 value is minus 4 comma 3. Next 0. Origin everyone know. So origin that is y is 0 comma 0. Now so what is the formula? The distance between to the point minus 4 comma 3 from the origin is, so what is the formula? Square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, that is OA. So OA is equal to, so what is x1 here? Minus 4 whole square plus y1 3 whole square. Now square root of minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 for the 16 plus 3 square 3 into 3 that is 9. So 16 plus 9 how much? 25. The square root of that is OA is equal to square root of 25 value is 5. So 5 units. So what is the OA value is 5 units. So from here to the OA, the distance between OA is from the origin is 5 units. Okay, this is the example of distance between to the point from the origin. Thank you.
If you please like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel.